Good evening, students. I am Vimesh, Maths teacher. Today we are going to discuss progressions from the class 10 state board and CBSE. So these are the problems that depends upon based upon arithmetic progression. Let us see. If 7 times of 7th term of AP is equal to 11 times of 11th term, then which term will be 0 is the question. Okay, let us take this question is given in English language. Now I am writing in mass coding. 7 times of 7th term. 7th term is denoted by T7. T7 equal to, here given equal to 11 times of 11th term. That is the given data. This is the first step. So you will continue. 7 into T7 can be written as A plus 6D. You know very well. In arithmetic progression, nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Just 1 should be subtracted from the n. 7. Here n is 7. 1 should be subtracted from 7. You will get A plus 6D. Similarly, to find T100, A plus 99D, am I right? Yes. 11 into T11 is A plus 10D. Subtract 1 from 11. Now multiply this 7, multiply by this 11. 7A plus 7 6 are 42D. 11A plus 11 tens are 110D. Yes, just here bringing all the terms to right hand side. So no terms are there, 0. 11A minus 7A plus 110D minus 42D. So 11A minus 7A is only 4A. 110 rupees minus 42 rupees. 68 rupees? Yes, 68D. Now, taking 4 as common, 4A plus, from 68, if you take 4 as common, what should be multiplied 4 to get 68? Yes, you are correct. How much it is? 4 1s are 4, 7 4s are 28. So that is nothing but 17D equal to 0. Okay, changing right hand side, left hand side, places are interchanged here. Now A plus 17D equal to 0. This 4 will be divided. A plus 17D is 0. 0 any value 0. Once think about it. Which term is this? You know A plus 17D is which term? You know A plus 6D is 7th term. A plus 10D is 11th term. A plus 99D is 100th term. Similarly, A plus 17D is 18th term. Yes, T18 is 0. This is the required answer. 18th term should be 0. Here answer is 18th term. Next question. Which term in the arithmetic progression 5 2 minus 1 is minus 22? What is this question? Very silly question. First term is 5. Second term is 2. How much subtracted? How much decreased? If you observe first and second term is decreased by 3. 5 minus 3 only 2. So you will expect 2. It's decreased by minus 3. So 5 minus 2. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. 2 minus 5 minus 3. -1 minus 2 is -3. Yes, it is decreased by 3. So, write next tense by decreasing 3, 3, 3. 2 after, say 2, 1, 0, -1. 1, 2, 3 decreased. Similarly here 5, 4, 3, 2 written. 1, 2, 3 decreased. 2 written. 2, 1, 0, 2 decreased, 3 decreased, -1 written. Similarly, -1 after you will get -4. -1, -4 after you will get -7, -10, -13, -17, -16, -19, -22. Yes, got it. Last term, got it. -22. So this is the which term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Therefore, T10 is -22. Answer is 10th term. Which term is that? In this progression, 10th term is -22. We solved this question without using any formula. Suppose if you are unable to find a common difference, if you are unable to find very lengthy asked, suppose T200 asked, suppose, how will you find? Better to learn formula method also. Method 2. So here we know that first term is 5, T1. Common difference D equal to T2 minus T1. 2 minus 5 is -3. Last term, we don't know which term is that. That is only question. So let it be Tn equal to -22. We know that formula for Tn. A plus n minus 1 into D equal to -22. A value is 5. 5 plus n minus 1 into. What do we find here? N value. Which term is asked now? N only we need to find here. N is question mark here. D value -3 is -22. So 5 plus -3n minus plus 3 is -22. So -3n plus 5 plus 3 8. So -3n equal to -22 minus 8. This is -30. Minus cancel. N is 30 by 3. So this is 10. N value is 10. We know that here also n is 10. So nth term is -22. Right. Ninth question. The sixth term from end of the AP. Same question previously, 8th question model only. But here, end of the AP asked here. We have to say sixth term, not starting onwards, ending onwards. Let us see. We can write the given series is 17, 14, next 11. You know that next term you can expect. Decreased by 3 here also. 11, coding. Okay, next. Is it 8? Correct, 8. Next, 8 after 5. Next, 2. Next, -1. Just 2, 1, 0, -1. Okay, it decreased by 3. -4, -7, -10, -13, -16, -19, -22, -25, -28, -31, -33, -30. Let us check once. 17, 14, 11, 8, 5, 2, minus 1, minus 4, minus 7, minus 10, minus 13, minus 22, minus 25, minus 28, minus 31, minus 34. This is C. 31 decreased 3 now. 34. Next 37. Next minus 40. Yes, we reached it. Last term is minus 40. Now, from the end askano, simply count them. 1. This is first term. T1. This is second term. From the last. T3, T4, T5, T6. So, minus 25 is 6th term. Therefore, T6 from the end is how much? Minus 25. So, formula method also you have to lay. We have formula for this question. T. So here let it be K. K value is 6. Okay. K value is 6. So Tn minus K plus 1. This is the direct formula. Okay. A plus n minus K into D. This is the direct formula to find any term from the end of the AP. Here n. First of all, we have to know n value. How many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 are there. 20 minus 6 plus 1 equal to A means first term 17, N means 20 minus 6, D value is 14 minus 17, T2 minus T1 minus 3. So 20 minus 6, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. So directly we got T15. So T15 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If you observe clearly here, 6th term from the end of the AP is nothing but 15th term from the starting. Yes, directly you got it here. 17 plus 20 minus 6, 14, 14 minus 3. This is 17 minus 42. So exactly this is minus 25. So this is the required answer. This is nothing but 6th term from end of AP. Okay. But in this 20, how will you find? We can find easily 20. Simply here last term is minus 40 now. Tn equal to minus 40. A plus n minus 1 into D equal to minus 40. Just like A value, D value, you will get n value. Okay, that's not a matter. You can find 20 from that. Right. Now, 10th question. The sum of 4 arithmetic means. AM means arithmetic mean. Suppose 3 numbers are in arithmetic progression. If A, B, C are in arithmetic progression, B is called AM. It's nothing but arithmetic mean. So B equal to A plus C by 2, you know. This is the formula. Let us see. Suppose here 17, 14, 11. Suppose let us take 3 numbers. Check it. 14 is nothing but 17 plus 11 by 2 only. 14 equal to, middle term equal to 17 plus 11 by 2 only by using this. 28 by 2. This is 14 only. Yes. 14 equal to 14 only, no. So that is the meaning of arithmetic mean. In this question, sum of 4 AMs between 3 and minus 7. How many are there? 4 terms are there. Let it be x1, x2, x3, x4. So totally how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are there. Here n is equal to 6. So indirectly given T6 T6 is equal to minus 7. T1 A equal to 3. Directly A plus 5D equal to minus 7. A value right here 3. 3 plus 5D equal to minus 7. So 5D equal to minus 7 minus 3. So D equal to minus 10 by 5. This is minus 2. D value is minus 2. So A value is 3. X1 T2. T2 equal to A plus D now. 3 plus minus 2. This is 1. Okay. Next T3. A plus 2D. How much it is? It means X2. Three plus 2 into minus 2. This is equal to minus 4 plus 3. Minus 1. This is minus 1. 3, 1, minus 1. You will expect next steps. Minus 1 after 3 minus 3. First term, what is the difference? 1 minus 3 minus 4 now. 1 minus 3 minus 2. So 2 decreasing. 3 after 1 came. 1 after minus 1 came. Minus 1 minus 2. Minus 3 will come. Minus 3 minus 2. Next term will be minus 3. T4. Next term will be T5 is minus 5. 2 decreasing. So here I am asking the sum of 4 m's between 3 and minus 7. So how much now sum? 1 no minus 1 0. Minus 3 minus 5. Answer is minus 8. Its sum equal to 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 3 plus minus 5. This is plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Answer is minus 8. Yes. The arithmetic mean of x and y is x. Then which of the following is correct? Arithmetic formula we know that x plus y by 2. This is the formula. But here how much given? How much given here? X given. X right here. Formula right here. X plus y by 2 equal to x. So x plus y equal to 2x. So here I equal to, sending this x that side, 2x minus x. Y equal to x. Answer is y is equal to x or x is equal to y. Both are same. First option. Did you understand? Next question. The nth term of AP is 3n plus 1. The sum of its first n terms is how much? The nth term means first term, second term, third term and so on. Nth term, if n is 100, n means 100th term. If n is 1000, n is that is 1000th term. Okay. Nth term is this. It is depends upon the value of n only. Okay. It's not infinite. N means here not infinite. Yes. Here nth term of AP is 3n plus 1. Tn equal to 3n plus 1. So what is the formula to find sum of first n times? We know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. N by 2 into a plus l means first term plus last term. Last term means here Tn only. Then what is the first term here? Very easy. Put n is equal to 1. You will get first term. Put n is equal to 2. You will get second term. Put n is equal to 3. You will get third term. First term is nothing but a here. So T1 is equal to 1 writing here. 3 into 1 plus 1 3 1 are 3 plus 1, that is 4. Therefore, A is 4. Tn is 3n plus 1. Now substitute here. Sn equal to, our question is sum of first 10 terms. N by 2 into A means 4. L means 3n plus 1. So answer is n by 2 into 3n plus 4 plus 1, 5. So 3n into n, 3n square plus 5 into n, 5n by 2. This is the sum of n terms. Okay, clear. 15th question. In arithmetic progression, T8 is equal to 16. Asking sum of first 15 terms. Wow, what is this question? How can it possible? Given only one term, so at least 2 terms are required now to find sum of terms like this. Here first term and last term. What is this here? Question 8th term given, asking sum of first 15 terms. Okay, let us do. T8, is it possible? Yes, it is possible in arithmetic progression. T8 is nothing but A plus 70 equal to 16. So here we know that n is equal to 15 because the sum of first terms asking now. Yes. So this is formula only can be written as Sn is equal to n by 2 into A means A plus L means last term, it means Tnth term. Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D now. Formula. So A plus n minus 1 into D. Sn is nothing but n by 2 into A plus A 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Here we know that n value is 15 right here. S15 equal to 15 by 2 into 2A plus n value right here 15 minus 1. 15 minus 1, how much? 14. 14D. So we are finding sum of first 15 terms. 15 by 2 into. Here taking 2 as common, you will get A plus 70. 2 will be cancelled. 15 into A plus 70 value given. How much that is? 16. Right here 16. 15, 16 are 240. This is nothing but S15. See, without knowing other term, with this term, got sum of first 15 terms. Do you understand? Yes. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.